LCID, no more CCIV, okay? LCID group. Why is it group and why is not motors? We're going to be talking about that in today's video. Make sure to stay tuned about that, and let's just keep on going. First of all, with the technical analysis, okay? So yesterday, LCID closed at right around 26.83 US dollars. I mean, it is what it is. You were up like $2.58 or 10% for the day. Pretty excited about that, and we had a gap to the upside too. Okay, so let's start with the technical analysis. I need to have my drawing tools right here so I can draw on the chart. This is on a weekly chart, okay, so we can draw something on the weekly chart right here too. And this can be more precise right here. You do something like that for kind of a like a resistance right there. Right now, let's just scroll to the lower time frames. Let me click on these and turn them off with the moving averages because we will need them like later the video if you like if you know me. Okay, so yeah, that's about the support resistance. Like now we can just kind of capture the ranges that this was trading in. Also, was the last move that it got. This is the high that we got. Okay, so from this range to this range, I'm looking for this to kind of bounce off of this if it wants to push to the downside and then kind of push back up. But yeah, this is only for the for the short term kind of stuff, right? So yeah, we're all looking at this for the long term. And when I say for the long term, what do I mean? For the long term, 2 to 5 years from now, okay, minimal. And let's just start with that, okay? The Churchill Capital Corporation IV, all the stockholders approved the LCID business combination, and LCID is like called Lucid Motors, okay? But why is it now called Lucid Group? Huh? Why is that? Oh, let's just keep on going with that. Okay, so now the real work begins. We need cars out of the factories and into the drivers. We need revenue. We'll go from there, okay? This is all that matters at this point for LCID or group, okay? Just keep in mind, group, not motors. The stock can only go so far on a hype and excitement. Excited for the future and for the company. For near-term excitement, I would love to see the journalist driving the car. And do y'all think that this is undervalued? I absolutely think so. And why? But just think that why the stock is named Lucid Group, as I said, not Lucid Motors. Business will be spread to the various field of businesses, okay? I mean, it may not be just in the cars, who knows? As I think, and it's just beginning, like now it's just at the beginning, okay? Probably have to wait till the Q4 for that kind of stuff, but it is what it is. But yeah, just at least these are good news, and we are waiting. The good news are waiting for us. And during the Tesla's call today, Elon said the hard part isn't designing the prototype; it's production. I really hope Lucid hired people seasoned in the volume EV production. And from what I can make out, LCID or Lucid are there in the department. They seem to have world-class leadership and workers within every department. And I just think I just want to see some action now, as I'm sure every other investor does too. And I'll totally agree with all the people that are hyped up about this. I believe too, but I'm sure that the boys know this. Okay, we will see what will be happening with that, with LCID and all the good stuff. I'm pretty hyped up about this, and a lot of the people show in the mail they showed something like this. Now one person said, "Look what finally showed up in my mail today from my brokerage." He said that the Churchill Capital IV, this is a voting instruction forum. It was sent on the 21st of July, but the thing already happened, and it says make your vote count, but it already did happen. Okay, I'm pretty hyped up about this. The Lucid Group, not Motors. There are Motors on Instagram and stuff like that, but it is all right now. It's Lucid Group. And let's just keep on with the technical analysis, okay? So these are the things that I wanted to set. It already did combine, we had a combination with Churchill Capital, and yeah, we will all write about that. Right now, all we need to do is just some cars from the factories into the drivers, as the guy said. First of all, let's just go to lower time frame, and this is how it looks like. You kind of surpassed this lower high right here. And when I say lower high, what do I mean? I mean, look, we surpassed through this lower high, we made a lower high again, passed through these two lower highs, and we will see if we can make another higher high right here. Actually, this will be a higher high for sure. But can we surpass this higher high? We will see what will be happening with that. And just keep in mind that we kind of had the head and shoulders pattern, but not every time that the head and shoulders pattern will be will be correct. Look, the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. It kind of pushed to the downside for the run right there, and then it pushed to the upside. But it is what it is. Let me just click that, turn these things off. Click on the. No, this is for the lower time frame, bro. This is for the volume. Yeah, let's just talk about the volume right now. So volume yesterday was insane. I mean, it just doubled the average, I guess. Yeah, it was close to. Yeah, it was actually, bro. It was for sure double the average. It was just about like 2.5 times that average. Then the day before that, also the moving average was above the average. The daily volume was above the average, and so on and so on. And right now, I think that the volatility is insane. If you even go to the 5 minute chart, you will see like full candles and stuff, as you can see. But like right here, I mean, for example, the volume was not that big, and you could not see that. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to like say when I'm talking about that. Today, what are my thoughts today? I think that today we are for sure gonna push to the upside once again, but I will not be surprised if I even see a pull back, because we have a huge wick right there. That's why for me the sellers were into the game. A lot of people kind of made their profits from here to here. Like for example, if they had a buy, well, like if they had a buy right there, they could be up like 35% right now. A lot of people can do that, but when we, like for example, when we touch that, of course we're gonna push it to the downside. But today, when the market opens, like we're really close for the market opening, like it is right now, it needs to open. But yeah, I don't know when you're gonna be watching this video. So yeah, guys, just keep in mind I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. I'm really positive, and I have all my hopes into LCID groups, and we'll see what will be happening with that. I'm pretty hyped up because we really started talking about CCIV back in March, I guess, or April, and the merger absolutely did happen. Okay, pretty hyped up about that. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Just make sure to like the video, and this will be basically it, guys. Hope you liked it. I'll just keep in mind that I will keep you updated. Like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and peace out, and have a positive day and an overall great day overall. Peace out.